Hey, I'm sorry there's really no video this week because this week, as some of you know that follow the channel, has been a very rough week for me. Last Monday there was an accident on a job site that I was next door to, and today I have to go to the wake um, in a few hours. So the that was the bad thing. The good thing was this happened on Monday. Tuesday, my son came back to work. He now is a national registered EMT, and he's progressing towards his firefighting career each step. So he's passed the written, he's got his EMT, now he's got to do the physical fitness, then go through a selection board to see if he gets picked for two different departments. So let's keep our fingers crossed. He wants to follow his father and his uncle's footsteps. All right, but I didn't want to disappoint anybody because I said I would draw the winner of the T-shirt this week. So let's turn this around. I'll hit the start button and let's let the YouTube random comment picker pick it. Now, if you win, I'll send you on your comment that you made on last week's video. I'll send you a note to send you. You send me an email with the size you need and your location, all your information. So I've got medium, large, and extra large. All right, and I've got a few for probably up until the end of the year. I've got enough because we'll do this like every other week, and just my way of giving back. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your kind words, and thank you for just riding out the storm with me. And so enough of that. Let me turn this around. Here you go. There's the winner. Half pint stump grinding. Congratulations. And remember, I got medium, large, and extra large. I'll make a comment on the comment you made that you won from, and you just get back with me on I'll give you the email will be on there to send me the info. And remember, the contest is open to anyone around the world. And God bless you all. And just thanks for hanging with me. All right. Have a great, blessed Sunday.